Hello, design lovers, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Liz Marie Galvan's farmhouse Christmas aesthetic. If you're dreaming of a holiday home filled with vintage charm, cozy whites, and rustic textures, you're in for a treat. We'll explore every corner of this timeless style, from reeds on weathered doors to twinkling lights in cozy nooks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite farmhouse Christmas element, and let's get started on this magical tour. The farmhouse facade sets the tone for your entire holiday aesthetic. Think classic white clapboard siding adorned with fresh evergreen garlands draped across the porch railings. A vintage wooden ladder leaning against the exterior displays pre-lit mini trees or lanterns filled with battery-operated candles. The front door becomes your focal point with a generous boxwood wreath tied with buffalo check ribbon. Galvanized metal planters flanking the entrance overflow with frosted pine branches, red berries, and birch logs. String Edison bulbs along the roofline for that warm, inviting glow. This layered approach to exterior styling, called curated composition, creates depth and welcomes guests before they even step inside your farmhouse sanctuary. Your entryway is where farmhouse hospitality begins. Install shaker-style hooks painted in soft white for coats and hats, each adorned with mini evergreen sprigs and jingle bells. A reclaimed wood bench with a grain sack cushion provides seating while concealing a shoe cabinet underneath. Above, hang an oversized vintage mirror with a garland swag featuring eucalyptus, white berries, and burlap ribbon. Layer a jute mat with a smaller buffalo check runner for textural interest. A white enamel pitcher filled with fresh pine branches sits on a distressed console table alongside a wooden dough bowl containing ornaments. Add a galvanized metal tray for keys with a small Merry Christmas sign. This functional yet festive space embodies the farmhouse principle of purposeful beauty. The living room embraces Liz Marie's signature white-on-white palette with strategic pops of natural greenery. A slip-covered sofa draped with chunky knit throws in cream and plaid flannel invites cozy conversations. The Christmas tree features a monochromatic scheme with white lights, burlap ribbons, wooden bead garlands, and vintage-inspired ornaments. Arrange a vignette on the coffee table using a reclaimed wood tray filled with mercury glass votives, pine cones, and a small flocked tree. Flank the fireplace with oversized stockings hung from iron hooks on a weathered mantel dressed with candlesticks, greenery, and vintage books. Layer vintage grain sacks as pillow covers and add a sheepskin rug for textural dimension. This creates what designers call monochromatic layering for sophisticated visual interest. Transform your dining space into a festive, feast-worthy setting. Center a reclaimed wood farmhouse table with a linen runner embellished with a garland of seeded eucalyptus, white pine, and dried orange slices. Place settings feature white ironstone dishes layered with plaid napkins tied with twine and fresh rosemary sprigs acting as natural place cards. Vintage brass candlesticks of varying heights create ambient lighting alongside a centerpiece of white pillar candles in mercury glass holders. Above, a statement chandelier wrapped with greenery and white ribbon becomes a focal point. Hang a vintage window frame on the wall, decorated with a wreath for architectural interest. Add a sideboard vignette with white pitchers, stacked ironstone, and a small flocked tree. This elevated rustic tablescape balances elegance with farmhouse charm. The farmhouse kitchen radiates holiday warmth through thoughtful details. Dress white shaker cabinets with mini wreaths hung from satin ribbons on select doors. Style open shelving with white dishware interspersed with evergreen stems in vintage crocks and wood bead garlands draped casually. The refrigerator gets a festive touch with a magnetic eucalyptus garland along the top edge. Surround the vintage-style stove with greenery tucked behind canisters and a small galvanized tray holding wooden spoons tied with plaid ribbon. Your coffee station becomes a vignette with a small flocked tree beside your machine, accompanied by a wooden sign reading, But first, coffee and Christmas. Display cutting boards vertically with seasonal greenery tucked behind them. These subtle touches create what's known as lifestyle styling that feels lived in and authentic. Create the ultimate relaxation zone where Christmas comfort reigns. Arrange a sectional in neutral linen facing a shiplap accent wall, housing your flat-screen TV framed with a DIY garland of mixed greenery and white lights. Layer the sofa with buffalo check and cable knit pillows, draping a chunky cream throw over the arm. A distressed coffee table holds a wooden dough bowl filled with vintage ornaments and battery-operated candles. Position a vintage ladder in the corner, displaying cozy blankets on each rung with small reeds attached. Add a galvanized bucket filled with extra pillows and throws for easy access. Install floating shelves beside the TV styled with white pictures, books, and mini bottle brush trees. This space exemplifies functional coziness, where every element serves both purpose and aesthetic. Transform your workspace into a festive yet functional haven. A weathered wood desk anchors the space, styled with a small vintage radio, dusted with Epsom salt snow, and a unique brass desk clock wrapped with twine and a sprig of pine. Organize paperwork in galvanized metal bins, tied with buffalo check ribbon. A white wire wall grid displays Christmas cards using mini clothespins, interspersed with greenery sprigs. Your desk lamp gets wrapped with a simple garland at its base. Add a white ceramic pencil holder filled with pens and small evergreen stems. A wooden tray corrals daily essentials alongside a white candle and small bottle brush tree. Mount floating shelves above displaying white binders, vintage books, and subtle Christmas decor. This approach demonstrates decorative organization, keeping your workspace practical while maintaining holiday spirit. Designate a peaceful retreat for holiday reading. Position a slip-covered wingback chair beside a window, dressed with simple white curtains tied back with greenery and ribbon. Layer the chair with a sheepskin throw and cream cable knit pillow. A small round side table in distressed wood holds a white ceramic mug, a stack of favorite books topped with a mini wreath, and a brass candlestick. Hang a vintage-style wall sconce above for reading light, wrapping its base with thin garland. Add a woven basket beside the chair storing extra blankets and holiday magazines. A small flocked tree in a galvanized bucket sits in the corner with soft white lights. Install a floating shelf above displaying white ironstone and greenery in vintage bottles. This hygge-inspired space encourages rest and reflection during the busy season. Your bedroom becomes a peaceful Christmas sanctuary. Dress the bed with white linen bedding layered with a buffalo check duvet and grain sack pillows. At the foot, fold a chunky knit blanket in cream. Flank the bed with weathered nightstands, each holding a white ceramic lamp base wrapped with simple greenery at the bottom. Style with a small galvanized tray containing a candle, mini bottle brush tree, and vintage book. Above the bed, hang a vintage window frame or large wreath as artwork. Drape fresh garland along the headboard or across a wooden ladder, leaning in the corner displaying cozy throws. A distressed dresser displays a vignette of white pictures, stacked vintage suitcases, and a wooden sign. This serene simplicity approach ensures your bedroom remains a restful retreat while embracing subtle holiday charm. Even the bathroom deserves festive attention. Above the white vessel sink on a weathered vanity, hang a vintage-inspired mirror wrapped with a simple eucalyptus garland at the top corner. Display white hand towels rolled in a wire basket beside a small bottle brush tree and a white candle. The shower area features a white waffle weave curtain. Hang a small wreath on the curtain rod center. Style open shelving with white folded towels interspersed with small greenery sprigs and a galvanized caddy holding toiletries. Add a small vintage stool holding a basket of rolled washcloths and a sprig of pine. Place a white ceramic soap dispenser beside a wooden tray with a candle. These thoughtful details create spa-like holiday ambience, transforming daily routines into special moments without overwhelming the functional space. Don't neglect your garage and your Christmas styling. Install pegboard painted white for tool organization, adding small wreaths between sections. Galvanized metal bins on industrial shelving store seasonal items, each labeled with chalkboard tags tied with twine and greenery. Hang a larger wreath on the garage door's interior and drape garland along the workbench edge. A vintage wooden ladder stores extension cords and outdoor lights organized on each rung. Create a potting station using a reclaimed wood counter with white enamel buckets holding gardening tools, each adorned with a small red bow. Add vintage metal signs with Christmas messages and install string lights along the ceiling perimeter. A small flocked tree on the workbench completes the look. This demonstrates that whole home design extends to every functional space, maintaining cohesive style throughout your property. Extend your living space outdoors with thoughtful patio styling. Arrange weathered wood Adirondack chairs with buffalo check cushions around a metal fire pit. Drape heavy wool blankets over chair backs and hang mini wreaths from the back slats. String cafe lights overhead in a zigzag pattern for magical evening ambience. Style a vintage wooden bench against the house with galvanized buckets filled with pine branches, birch logs, and battery-operated lanterns. Add a reclaimed wood coffee table displaying a tray with white enamel mugs, a thermos, and a small evergreen arrangement. Lean a vintage sled against the patio wall, decorated with a wreath and plaid scarf. Place large galvanized tubs filled with evergreen branches at corners. This creates an outdoor room concept, making your patio an extension of your farmhouse's cozy interior charm. Liz Marie's signature style centers on a sophisticated neutral foundation. The monochromatic scheme uses varying shades of white, cream, and natural wood tones to create depth without overwhelming the senses. This approach, called tonal layering, allows textures to become the star. Think chunky knits against smooth linens, rough reclaimed wood beside soft sheepskin. By limiting the color palette, you create a cohesive flow throughout your home while strategic pops of greenery provide organic contrast. This restrained palette also makes spaces feel larger and more serene, essential for creating that peaceful farmhouse atmosphere. The beauty lies in collecting vintage whites that don't quite match perfectly, creating an authentic, collected over time aesthetic rather than a store-bought set look. Successful farmhouse Christmas styling depends on textural variety. Combine smooth white ironstone with rough jute rope, soft cable knits with weathered wood, and shiny mercury glass with matte evergreen branches. This textural juxtaposition creates visual interest within a limited color palette. Incorporate natural elements like pine cones, birch bark, and dried orange slices for organic texture. Add woven baskets, burlap ribbons, and grain sacks for rustic tactile appeal. Galvanized metals provide industrial contrast against soft textiles. Even your greenery should vary. Mix smooth magnolia leaves with fuzzy lamb's ear and spiky pine needles. Layer rugs by placing a smaller patterned rug over a larger jute one. These textural combinations create a rich, multi-dimensional space that invites touching and closer inspection, making your home feel thoughtfully curated. Achieving Liz Marie's look requires hunting for authentic vintage treasures. Scout antique malls, estate sales, and flea markets for white ironstone, vintage windows, grain sacks, and galvanized metals. Look for pieces with patina and character rather than pristine condition, chips, rust, and where add authenticity. Collect wooden items like cutting boards, dough bowls, and crates that can be styled seasonally. Seek out vintage ladders, shutters, and architectural salvage for statement pieces. Don't overlook everyday items like enamel pitchers, crocks, and wire baskets that work year-round. When thrifting, consider each piece's styling potential beyond its original purpose. A vintage toolbox becomes a planter, an old window frame becomes wall art. This sustainable approach to decorating, called adaptive reuse, creates unique spaces while honoring history and reducing waste. Embrace handmade elements to personalize your farmhouse Christmas. Create simple garlands by stringing wooden beads with jute twine, adding eucalyptus sprigs with floral wire. Make your own grain sack pillows by cutting vintage sacks and sewing them with simple envelope closures. Transform dollar store ornaments with chalk paint for a custom white finish. Craft a wooden bead garland for your tree by threading various sized natural wood beads. Create custom signs using reclaimed wood, white paint, and simple black lettering. Make snow-covered pine cones by painting them white and dusting with Epsom salt. Tie cinnamon sticks with twine and ribbon for fragrant tree ornaments. These DIY projects, called maker styling, add personal touches while keeping costs down and ensuring your decor is truly one of a kind and filled with meaning. Proper lighting transforms your farmhouse Christmas from pretty to magical. Layer different light sources for depth and warmth. Start with ambient lighting from ceiling fixtures, add task lighting at workspaces, and finish with accent lighting through candles and string lights. Use warm white LED bulbs, 2700K, rather than cool whites to maintain cozy ambience. String Edison bulbs along mantles, across windows, and in unexpected places like ladder rungs. Battery-operated candles in vintage holders provide flickering warmth without fire risk. Place white pillar candles in groups of varying heights on trays and in lanterns. Add uplighting behind greenery arrangements to cast beautiful shadows. This layered lighting technique creates what designers call luminary depth, making spaces feel inviting at any time of day while highlighting your carefully curated textures and vintage finds perfectly. Complete your farmhouse Christmas experience with intentional fragrance. While visual design dominates our focus, scent creates powerful emotional connections and memories. Place fresh pine branches throughout your home for authentic evergreen fragrance. Simmer a stovetop potpourri with orange slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and cranberries for natural holiday aroma. Use essential oil diffusers with pine, cedarwood, and cinnamon blends in main living areas. Display bowls of dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks as dual-purpose decor that releases subtle fragrance. Bake Christmas cookies to fill your home with vanilla and spice. Hang eucalyptus in your shower for a spa-like aromatic experience. This sensory layering approach recognizes that design extends beyond what we see, creating a fully immersive environment that truly feels like Christmas in every corner. Sustain your beautiful Christmas styling throughout the entire season with smart strategies. Use high-quality artificial greenery for base layers, refreshing with small amounts of real greenery weekly in focal areas. Keep white textiles fresh by choosing machine-washable options and having backup pillowcases. Rotate decor between rooms to prevent visual fatigue. Swap vignettes from the living room to bedroom mid-season. Replace real candles regularly and clean mercury glass weekly to maintain sparkle. Mist your fresh greenery daily to prolong its life. Store backup pieces organized by room for quick refreshes. Take photos of your favorite vignettes to recreate them next year. This sustainable styling approach, as designers call it, helps you enjoy your hard work longer while making future decorating easier and more efficient, protecting your investment in both time and treasured pieces. Congratulations on completing this vintage farmhouse Christmas tour, inspired by Liz Marie Galvan's timeless aesthetic. Remember, creating this look is a journey, not a destination. Start with the spaces you use most and build your collection season by season. Focus on quality over quantity, choosing pieces you truly love rather than filling every surface. Trust your instincts and adapt these ideas to your unique home and family needs. The beauty of farmhouse style lies in its authenticity and imperfection. If you found this tour inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration. Comment below with which room you'll tackle first, and share photos of your farmhouse Christmas transformations. Happy decorating, and may your home be filled with warmth, joy, and vintage charm this holiday season.